Varicose veins, what you are doing wrong. Varicose veins aren't just cosmetic issues, they can be painful and lead to bigger health problems. Let's talk about what you might be doing wrong and how to fix it. 1. Common mistakes that make varicose veins worse. Sitting or standing too long. If you work at a desk or stand for hours, your veins struggle to pump blood back to your heart. Crossing your legs increases pressures in your veins and restrict circulation. Wearing tight clothes, skinny jeans might look great, but they can worsen circulation problem. 2. What you should be doing instead: moving your legs every 30 to 60 minutes. Wear compression socks if you stand a lot. Keep your legs elevated for 50 minutes after long periods of sitting or standing. 3. Lifestyle changes that help. Stay active. Walking is the best exercise for circulation. Eat vein-friendly foods. Citrus fruits, leafy greens, and omega-3s can strengthen blood vessels. Drink plenty of water. Hydration prevents blood thickening and improves circulation. Varicose veins don't have to control your life. Try Varicose balm, which contains 14 herbs and can be an excellent natural aid to reduce varicose veins. Which of these tips are you going to try? Comment below.